Alright guys, YouTubers, I just wanted to make a quick video. If anybody's out there asking and wondering, cheap route to go to make some expensive repairs, not expensive. I got two products here, both bars leak products, rear main seal repair and head gasket repair. I recently had both of these issues on my vehicle. It's an older vehicle, definitely didn't want to put that kind of money in it. This one here, you're looking at about 45 bucks. This one, I believe it's around 12. Both products have seemed to work completely. I had a rear main seal leaking pretty bad. Very skeptical at first. Went ahead and tried it. It does take about 2 days for the rear main seal stuff to really kick in. But I've had great results with it. As far as the head gasket, if you follow the instructions exactly, it has worked 100% for me. Saved myself a lot of money. $45 and about 12 bucks. Obviously this one you pour in the coolant for the head gasket, and this one you put in the block itself with the oil. That's pretty much all I wanted to say. Just give a little tip out there. Bars leaks, definitely recommend. Until next time.